Hey friends, if you wish to reduce the file size in Windows, then please watch this video. So all we need to do is Google reduce file size, and I'll tell you why Google it, because you'll get a lot of these free converters. You can pick any one of them. I prefer free convert because it's free. And then go to the video, upload the video, and then you can click on compress now. It's 66 MB, so you can check the output format and then click on compress now. It will compress the file and it will need a while for that, and then you can download it to your system. So this is how you can compress any file. This is not the only option. I'll show you. We have many more options like Veed.io and Cledio and online converter. You can use any one of them. They have a limit for the free one, and if you want to compress large files, I tried a lot of converters. I found a one called VideoPlug that works. Okay, so this is what you can use. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.